Yeah. Elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the 5th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos and I'm extremely excited. So today I went to Tikabe's first ever art exhibition and the artworks there were really lovely, and I loved so many artworks over there. Well, I'm just going to let you feed your eyes through this video, and also let me know which artwork was your favorite below in the comment section. Okay, please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to tell your friends to like, subscribe, and please share, and also leave a comment letting me know which art piece was your favorite. And yeah, okay, thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.